About yung role mo rito sa hashtag why?
Well, my role, I'm a new friend of Elmo and Keith and Colleen. So, silang tatlo kasi magkakabarkada na sila long time. So, I'm a new addition. So, I become Keith's girlfriend and I become Elmo's love interest. So, yun. And then, that's where all the juicy stuff starts.
Parang sabi kanina ni Colleen during the interview, dapat yung role mo raw, dapat sa kanya. Pero hindi niya raw kinaya kasi ang dami daw mga kissing scene, ang dami mga medyo sensitive. Ikaw, ano yung nag-udyok sa'yo to accept the role?
Well, ako, it's time to get out of the box, you know, try new things. Kasi hindi ko naman alam kung ano yung kakayanin ko hanggang subukan ko. So, ayun. And the script was well written and the directors all did it tastefully. So, yun.
Hindi ka ba kinabahan na nung binabasa mo yung script, ang daming mga masaselan na eksena?
Yun, syempre kinabahan ako kasi yun nga, I saw na may kissing scenes with Elmo, with Kiss, tapos merong
With Colleen?
No, wala kami kissing scene ni Colleen.
Hindi ikaw yung girl na halikan niya that time.
At may love scene pa kami ni Elmo. So, yun yung mga nagpakaba sa akin na shit, kakayanin ko ba to? Pero, after everything, kinaya ko, so...
Pero how was it? How was the experience?
It was memorable. It was memorable. The Direct Gino and everyone made it very easy to do. And, yun, for the love of it, we did it.
Kumbaga, hindi ka ba natakot na ma-typecast ka na medyo sexy character or sexy star? Kasi parang dito sa ginawa mong film na to, kasi parang medyo naging
hopefully naman hindi, pero it's also that I'm not closing any doors. I mean, I'm not saying I'm never gonna go sexy, or I'm not saying that I'm gonna stay yung mahinhin type of characters, but whatever comes, yun lang.
Please explain to us, how was it, yung love scene nyo ni Elmo Magalonan? First time to do film together, right?
Yes, first time.
Kamusta naman? Hindi ba kayo nagkailangan? Or nag-usap ba kayo before you do that? Parang
Siyempre sa simula, parang, oh no, ano ba to? Paano ba to? Pero, Elmo's very professional. Even Keith, they're all very professional. So, naging madali lang. But syempre, before the scene, nag-workshop kami na parang para mawala yung ilang. And then, nung nandun na, yun eh. Pero may mga times na natatawa kami. Kasi nga, parang, oh my God, awkward. So, natatawa kami. Pero at least, comfortable.
Paano mo pinaghandaan yung eksena na yun?
Hindi ko inisip. Hindi ko muna inisip. Hanggang nandun na ako. Doon ko na lang siya, okay, this is what I have to do. Pero nagulat nga ako kasi nung shoot na yun, wala siya sa breakdown. So parang, oh Elmo, Sophie, gagawin na yung bed scene niyo. Parang kami, nagloloko kayo eh. Pero yun pala, yun na yun.
How do you describe yung love scene mo with Kit? And how do you describe yung love scene mo with Elmo?
Well, kami ni Kit naman, hindi kami nagka-love scene. Pero mga kissing scenes lang, very intense. Parang medyo lustful ang dating. Pero kay Elmo naman, more, kasi my character loses her virginity to Elmo. So, more parang
Passionate?
emotional. More passion.
Kumbaga, after Artista Academy, no? Malayo-layo na rin narating ni Zoe, no? Parang, may iba ka ba bang mga pinapangarap na role or parang pinapangarap na project on your career?
Oo naman, ang dami ba? Ang dami ko pang hindi nasubukan. Ang dami ko pang gusto subukan. Gusto ko rin matest yung kakayahan ko bilang isang artista. So, marami pa.
Do you have any dream leading man na gusto mo makaparehas?
Si John Lloyd.
Wow, bakit si John Lloyd?
Kasi parang feeling ko marami rin ako matututunan sa kanya. Sobrang galing niyang actor. So parang gusto ko lang ma-feel yung intensity niya or something, presence.
Di ba tita mo sila, Kristen?
Yes.
Are you looking forward to work with her soon?
Of course, yes. Anyone actually, I'm looking forward to working with. Every time nga may bagong cast na makatrabaho, parang nakakatuwa kasi ang dami kong napipick up. Parang kami, we're all from different stations. So, nakikita namin how everyone works, ganun. So, very fun.
Do you have communication with your tita Chris?
Now, no, we don't really we only see each other siguro mga like Christmas or pag may family gatherings. Yun.
Thank you, Sophie. Congrats.